Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C250 Sport. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, chrome window trim, and much more. The well-rounded Mercedes-Benz C-Class stands as one of the best picks in the highly competitive compact luxury sports sedan coupe segment. This Mercedes-Benz has 17-inch, 5 twin-spoke aluminum alloy wheels and all-season performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mercedes-Benz is in great condition. It has automatic halogen headlamps with selectable light sensing and black inlays, along with halogen fog lights, rain sensing wipers, and a really nice grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Mercedes-Benz has only 36,646 miles on it. At the back of the Mercedes-Benz, you can see the antenna, the large LED taillights, and the sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Mercedes-Benz has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with storage and cup holders, as well as seat back pockets. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice aluminum trim. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Mercedes-Benz is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and an alarm system. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the trunk release, the parking brake, the driver's seat features, the programmable power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This Mercedes-Benz has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.